One of the big challenges that engineers have in manufacturing companies is being able to extract useful information from CAD files. And if there are hundreds or thousands of CAD files in your company and they're located everywhere, they could be in different file servers, they could be within a PDM system or two within your company, it'll certainly be very helpful to have a means of very quickly extracting or finding the information you need rather than wasting a lot of time looking for it. So let me show you how by using Inforbix you can go and do exactly that. So let's say you're looking for a particular BOM table within CAD drawings. So I'm just going to go ahead and enter the name of an engineer that has drawn the SolidWorks drawings that I'm looking for. So Inforbix has basically found all sorts of information in the company related to this particular engineer, but I am specifically just looking for SolidWorks drawings. So I'm going to go ahead and narrow my choices down using the filtering tools. And Inforbix now has supplied me with all the SolidWorks drawings in the company, no matter where they are, for this particular, that were drawn by this particular individual, Josh. So what I want to do in this example is, rather than pinpoint the exact CAD drawing that I'm looking for, you certainly can with Inforbix, what I'd like to focus on is the information that Inforbix extracts from within a particular CAD file. And in this case, the BOM information. So let's say, for the purposes here, that this is a particular SolidWorks drawing that I'm looking for, and what I want to do is extract or find the information within that CAD drawing, in this case the table. So Inforbix has automatically extracted that table information from within the CAD drawing, and sure enough, here are the bill of materials that are found within that particular CAD drawing. So let's just say, for the sake of argument, that I'm looking for this particular bill of materials 1. So I can go ahead and actually create a virtual table of that bill of material. Now, by doing so, I am able to manipulate and work with that information, that particular bill of material tables from that CAD file, without actually impacting or touching the original data in the CAD file. And let me show you what I mean. Let's say that in my particular department, there is no such thing as a part number. We actually go by item numbers. So let me show you how I can go ahead and edit the column name. So I'm just going to head and change that from part to item number. And let's just say also that I'd like to go ahead and spell out, rather than NO, I want to go ahead and say item number. Because what I'm doing is I'm trying to make this or customize this particular table to something that's really meaningful to me. So I'm just going to apply the editing here, and sure enough, now I've changed the column names. And I can take this one step further, because I can go ahead and save this table. I can save the table as anything I want, but what I'm going to do is I'm just going to say this is Josh's BOM table, right? And I'm going to go ahead and save that. Now what happens, and this is the real power of Inforbix, if I go back to the main page of Inforbix, in this case for tables, I can see Josh's BOM table here. Now I can go ahead and click it, and what Inforbix has done is it's basically recreated that BOM table from that particular CAD file. But because it's a virtual table or a virtual spreadsheet, if anything has changed in that BOM table on the original CAD file, it will be reflected here within this particular table. So I know that this information that I've collected is always going to be up to date. And I can take this one step further, because I can go ahead and share this table now. And I can put somebody's name here, and when they click this link on, they will get this same table. And again, if any changes has happened when they click it, between the time that I've sent it and that they actually receive it and click it, again, if there's been any changes to the original SolidWorks drawing, this particular one, they'll also see any particular updates. And again, we're not touching the underlying data in that CAD file. We're only reflecting and picking up the data. So in summary, what Inforbix has done or can do is find information from CAD files that can be located anywhere in the company, pinpoint the precise information you want, present it in a table form, that you can manipulate and change and really present in a way that's meaningful to you. You can save it and you can share it for collaboration with your colleagues. Well, I hope this has been helpful. Thank you.